Hi friends, today I will be teaching you Hasta Prachara. Hasta Prachara means importance of hand positions or palm position. Firstly, let me clarify the difference between the Hasta Vinyogs and Hasta Prachara. In Sanskrit, Vinyog means uses or applications. So Hasta Vinyog means application of a mudra to express the meaning of a word. Example, in Tripataka Vinyog, Makute. We demonstrate Makute like this. We use Tripataka hands in this position. Now, in Sanskrit, Prachara means to publicize or create importance. Hence, Hasta Prachara means importance of a mudra to express the meaning of a word. Example, Makute. We are positioning our Tripataka mudra like this. Palm is facing each other. This position is called Sanmukha or Unmukha position in Hasta Prachara. So we can say in Hasta Prachara, we are demonstrating hand or palm positions. Hasta Prachara are classified into three forms. According to Nritta, Nritya and Natya. Nritta, use of Hasta Prachara in Adaus. Takka, takkitta, takka, takkitta. Use of Hasta Prachara in Abhinaya. And Nritya, which is combination of both steps and Abhinaya. Even in Natya Shastra, it has been explained on these aspects. There are a lot of versions of Hasta Prachara. I have summed it and simplified it into 15 types. So let's start. So first is Uttana. Uttano or Uttala, all three means same. Here you have to place your palm facing upwards, like how we use in Ettadau. Tat, tai, ta, ha. Dhit, tai, ta, ha. Next, Urdhvaga. Urdhvaga means palm raising upwards. It is in motion. It's an action in Abhinaya. You are great. We are raising the palm upwards. Okay? So slowly take your palm upwards. To demonstrate this mudra, you can do it like this. Okay? Next, Urdhva Mukha. Fingers pointing upwards. We use this position in Sarikaladau. Tai, ha, tai, hi. This position is used in Sarikaladau. Next, Adhovadana, hand facing downwards. So I demonstrated in little slanting position like this. We use this position to show Chinta, means worry. Next, Adhogata. It is exactly opposite of Urdhvaga. Your action is in motion, so you have to show your hands slanting downwards. Okay? It is going downwards. It is in motion. So you use this action to show a river or to show breeze. Okay? Next is Adho Mukha. It is exactly opposite of Urdhva Mukha. Fingers facing downward. You have to drop your hands like this. Understood? This is Adho Mukha. We also use this for Dola Hasta. Next, Adhastala. Adhastala means palm facing downward. They have clearly mentioned palm facing downwards. Whereas in Adhovadana, they said hand facing downwards. So I have demonstrated in this manner. When they say palm facing downwards, it is used in a ta, tat, tai, ta, ha. This close position is called Adhastala. Alright. Next, Tirtaka. We are using the edge of the palm. So we are using it like this to show Veeraras, or we are using it like a weapon. Okay? We have to use the edge of the palm. Next, Sthito Mukha. Sthito Mukha means steady palms, like this. We demonstrate Lord Vishnu like this. This is how we use Sthito Mukha. Next, Agratala, palm facing front. We use this action to shut the door, okay, or to say no. Understood? Next, Swasana Mukhatala, exactly opposite of this action. You have to keep your palm backwards like this, or you can keep it on the chest, pointing at oneself. Next, Sanmukha, palm is facing each other like this. Next, Parshvagata or Trayashra. In some books, they have referred it as Parshvagata, in some books as Trayashra. You can demonstrate this position in motion or fixed position. We use this for Tanjavur dance style. This is how we keep our hands in Tanjavur style. Palm facing sidewards. Next, Paranmukha. So we use this position to show way or road like this. Okay, this is Paranmukha. Vartula Hasta in round shape. So we are bending our palm in this position. Fingers a little closer like this to show baby or anything in a spherical shape. Uttana, Urdhvaga, Urdhvamukha, Adhovadana, Adhogata, Adhomukha, Adhastala, Tiryaka, Tirtaka, Stito Mukha, Agratala, Swasana Mukhatala, Shanmukha, Parshvagata, Trayashara, Paranmukha, Vartulaha. So friends, if you have liked my today's session, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with more videos. Till then, you guys take care. Bye-bye.